Hey guys, what's up? So just a quick random video today. I wanted to first of all say thank you very much for 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, woke up on the last day of the year with that kind of milestone, and I was really happy and really surprised to see that. So to celebrate, even though we were probably going to celebrate anyway, Steph and I are heading up to the beach, and she's sitting in the seat there. We're actually now passing Maracas, and clearly as you expect, a lot of people have the same idea. So we're sitting in one set of traffic here in Maracas, but we of course are not going to go to Maracas. We're going to actually try to head to probably Blanchisseuse. I just got a phone call for one of my friends up there, and he said Las Cuevas is pretty packed as well, so we're not going to bother that either. But yeah, we just bring you guys along today, take a swim in the beach, fly the drone, simple nice video, just enjoying, you know, the sweet pleasures that we always do, which is the beaches in Trinidad. Thank God we could actually go to them. It is 9:42, so by the time we get to the beach, we'll probably have 1 hour to frolic and play in the ocean.
That's all we need.
That's all we need. But yeah, so just come along for your ride, enjoy. Simple video to close out the new year. Thank you very much for all your love and support. 10,000 subscribers is a big deal to me. Honestly, my goal 1 year ago when I started, or however long ago I started this channel, which is about a year now, was to get to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah,
so 10,000 is 10 times better. But yeah, guys, come along with Stephanie and I. Thank you very much again for the support, and we are going to just show you out there at the beach. Peace out, have a great week, Happy New Year. And this is definitely one of the reasons I always avoid Maracas and Tairico Bay, because they're too popular and I don't think they're nearly as good as some of the other beaches. But I understand people like it, it's convenient, it has a lot going for it. But in particular on holidays and the weekends, this is the kind of thing you see going on here. Let me show you. So as usual, Trini is just, I'm not gonna say jackass any scene, because you know everybody have the right to come to the beach, but the traffic, boy, the traffic and the parking all over the roads and thing, I don't know. But what you gonna do? Yes, hopefully it's just still spaced out on the beaches, which I'm sure it is. And then Stephanie can keep me occupied with her cute face and her TikToking. You know, she doesn't even take me on. It's almost like I'm driving alone to the beach at this point. But the traffic is moving a little bit, and we go in. Hopefully we'll get there sooner rather than later. We're now reaching Las Cuevas, and it's ram out. Oh, good. Whew, this weather is amazing, but I have some advice for everybody going into 2022, brought to you by the Blanchisseuse, I can't speak again, secondary school. And they say, and I quote, "Success depends on you." Stephanie is laughing at me in the car right now, but it's kind of true. Success does depend heavily on you and what you do. So definitely get out there and do whatever it is you love doing and make it happen. And you guys, I depend on you for my success as well. So thank you again for 10,000 subscribers. Stephanie, success depends on you. Are you successful?
I am.
Very good. Great job, babe. So we're in the beautiful Blanchisseuse area now. And I'm sorry about the lighting, by the way, on the camera. I know like every now and again it's dark and then blazing sun and then dark again, but we can't help it because we're driving through all kind of trees and things. We're now passing Yara. As you can see, the pattern remains the same. Bunch of cars everywhere. So everybody wanted to come to the beach for the last day of the year. And I can't blame them, I can't blame them, I can't blame them. Because we are literally doing the same thing. In fact, I am probably later than everybody else. So, you know, we are the problem today. Which I don't like to admit, but what we gonna do? We still have 2 hours left of beach time, even though we have not arrived yet. So we're just taking our time. I think we're gonna decide on either Damiens Bay 1 or 2. So yeah, let's see how crowded these places are once we get there. Alright guys, so we made it to the beach. We chose Damiens Bay, or better known as D1 for surfers. And it's a little crowded, but you know what? And it's extremely beautiful day. Like I planned it though. I knew today and tomorrow are gonna be epic sunny days, so I might even come to the beach tomorrow as well. But good choice in the end. Not too crowded, but crowded. And I think I just bounced up my friends Ben and Jenny, who you met in my last video, and I'm just gonna ask them what their intentions are for the New Year's, you know, what they expect of 2022, you know, just to give a added content to this video here. And then I'm probably just gonna fly the drone and take in all this amazing beauty. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying so far. If you're not at the beach today, I'm sorry, but I have to show you what's going on. I mean, truth be told, I don't think the weather gets any better than this. There's literally like almost no clouds. The ocean is beautiful and green and clear. And there's just people enjoying themselves. It's hot. It's very hot. So if you're a white boy like me, you gotta wear a sunblock for sure. Alright guys, so quick question to 1 or 2 people here. What is one thing you want to accomplish in 2022? Shall I start with Jenny or shall I start with Stephanie? Jenny or Stephanie? Or Ben? Whee! Let's start with Jenny. She wanted time to prepare, so we're not going to give her that luxury. One thing you want to do in 2022, Jenny?
I want to do...
Learn to sing?
Explore more.
Explore more.
Explore more.
That's fantastic. Jenny the explorer, like Dora. Wife, what do you want to do in 2022?
That's not the question I told you to ask.
It doesn't matter. What do you want to do in 2022?
Have a baby.
She wants to have a baby. I wish you good luck on your journey. Ben, come a little closer.
Go.
What do you want to do for 2022? One thing that you want to achieve.
I want to try 5 new things.
5 new things.
Do something new. Eat something new. Eat something I've never done before. 5 new things.
That's 3.
Yeah, I mean, a mix between them all. Eat something, try something, go somewhere I've never been before.
Just to be clear, Ben wants to do 5 things.
Eat
something, do something, and be somewhere he's never been before. 5.
Learn to count.
And learn to count.
Categories.
Learn to count is at the top of the list.
7 places.
Well guys, I hope that inspired everybody to do a little bit more of their lives, get an education. Yeah? And we're gonna go and have a surf. Hi guys, so I'm doing a recreation of the first video I ever spoke in while Jenny bathes herself right there. And Stephanie watches on, and Ben is coming right in the middle of my path. But I don't know if you recall one of the first videos I ever made, and I started off by walking up this river and saying that a friend of mine named Brett Thompson, Ben in the background, told me that I should start talking more in my vlogs. And I was super nervous as hell, and I was just walking through this river, walking through and trying to think of things to say, kind of like what I'm doing now. And then I walked all the way out, and I kept going and going and going until I actually revealed the beach. Well, now I've spoken a whole lot more over a year in a bunch of videos, and many of you guys have supported this talking nonsense for the entire time. So I big up, and I hope you enjoy this recreation as I emerge from the river. And I come out through here, and then the sky turns blue, and I film the coconut tree. And that's where we're at, and it's actually 5 minutes to 12, but we're holding back to let the traffic die off, so hopefully the police don't come and lock us up while I make this video. Hi guys, so that's a wrap on everything there. We had the lookout here come to get some plantain chips for this one here, and a little pineapple chow for me. But again, big up for all the support and love, you know, keep things going. Blessing 2022 to all of you. Look out for me next year, coming good again, and with the beaches open, we have plenty to explore. Yeah, so one love for me and Stephanie. Have a great year everybody. See you soon, and we're gonna go and grab some food now. Bless up.